What up, guys? Welcome back. Hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving weekend. And for me, I had some interesting stuff came in. As you can see today, we're going to review some pinkish cars. This is not something that I usually buy for my collection, but as I'm trying to get more support from my wife, and also my daughter was born this year, so just trying to get more people to involved in my hobby. So far, it's not been successful with my wife, but you just have to keep working on it and keep brainwashing them until someday they don't even realize how they get into this hobby, Well, let's start with this Hello Kitty truck. How about that? This is very exciting stuff for me. Surprisingly, this thing actually fits in pretty well with my 64 scale cars. And this is from Tarmac. And apparently this is to celebrate their 50th anniversary. From my research I did just now, it looks like 2024 was their 50th anniversary. So you do your own math. 1974 is when they were found. And this is for a Mitsubishi and Fuso Canter truck. This is the side image of the truck. And the other side. For the packaging is actually pretty simple. I am actually expecting more for this price range, but it just do I even want to open this? It's just like every other mini GT, every other Tarmac packaging, like a plastic in there, acrylics, or you want to say. And okay, so this is the Mitsubishi Fuso Canter. I think this is something you see more in Asia or European countries with this style of truck, like a flat head. In North America, those like a big nose trucks are more popular. But this is a small commercial truck. And let's start from the front. Right away, you can see Hello Kitty, the name and 50th anniversary print on here. I believe these are all decals. And this HK0050 is probably their model number. HK probably means Hong Kong. And windshield wipers are there. It's not separate compartments, components, but it's there. And I realize for my side mirrors, they're not very even. Let me give you this angle. But I don't know, maybe that's just how the truck, maybe just how it is. And at the front you can see Fuso and Canter, Mitsubishi badge with the front grille. And I like those front lights. They're definitely separate components made of acrylics. And the different colors for the blinkers. You can see the orange color in here. And this come with a license plate. You don't see that very often. And little more air intakes here. Classic Mitsubishi front bumper. And on the side, TMWK, Tarmac work. Very clear prints here. These are not decal, these are all printed, so very nice. And the handles. I think on the handles, we're missing some paint here, right? I think when the paints go over this part, the groove is kind of in the way, so they didn't paint all the way in. Same thing happens on the other side, right? Yeah. And I like the wheels. Looks like 17.5-inch wheels with 5 lug nuts and hubcap. Very nice. Looks like there's steel rim, but it's just a steel paint on the model here. Rubber tires, as always. Metal body, metal base, rubber tires. The rear tires are a little concaved in, which is very accurate on this model. Double wheels here, because they're the weight-bearing wheels. In the back, license plate, very nice. Unfortunately, those rear lights are not acrylics, they're just painted on. With these bolts details, we appreciate that. The other side is the same thing, with the Hello Kitty paint on the window. It's very distractive when you drive, right? And these little details like a side blinkers, very nice. So the billboard part, unfortunately, is made of plastic, but it's very colorful here. It has all kinds of good stuff. It's a honey jar, a bear, and apple. Is this a sunny side up egg on a pan? I don't know. Hello Kitty 50th anniversary, and obviously Hello Kitty in the middle of everything. I have not even watched Hello Kitty before, so if you give me, if any of these characters are from Hello Kitty, I would not know. Different image on the other side. Very nice truck. It fits pretty well on my like within my 64 scale collections. It rolls pretty well. And let's see the back. At the bottom, not a tons of detail, but you can see the exhaust pipe, the muffler, and the gas tank. Very nice. Should I open this? I don't know if for the truck, do I want to? You know what? Why not? Why not? Because you cannot really see the details with all these decals on it, right? So why not? There are a lot of screws at the bottom, so let's just let's see what happens. I hope all of the screws are the same size, because I'm gonna mix them up for sure. Okay, I think this one connects the head with the bed, because it started moving after I unscrewed this guy. Can't really take this out yet, so we'll see. We will see. Alright, oh, okay. Yep, I need one more screw. Okay, this guy's coming apart for sure. Alright, let's take out one by one. First, this thing, the whole thing is plastic. Oh, I will wish it would be nice if they keep this like stainless steel thing metal. That would be so nice, but no. The truck does not look bad without this billboard actually. This looks way more heavy duty and raw feeling. Nice. And let's take this head out. The base is made of metal. Very good. Let's see what's inside this. Okay, it's loosening up, but I I cannot take this part out. I don't see more screws under, right? Am I blind? Looks like that's it. Well, you can see this window here. That's a good detail here. Well, never mind. You can't be able to see the steering wheels. I think this model is for Japan, so the driver's seat is on the right. The steering wheels and seats and the gear shifter, some good stuff in here. But yeah, I'm not able to take this part out, so that's the best I can do. Let's moving on to the next. Next one is this Abarth little car from Mini GT, and the number is 851. And this is like a collaboration between LB Works and Base Works. And pink color. Yep. This little guy reminds me of a Mini Cooper, right? Those kind of small cars. And it actually looks pretty good. Just for all the like wide body modifications. I don't know too much about the Base Works, but the collaboration between these two and make the car looks very bulky. For the first, this might be this is the Abarth badge, and the front lights are, look at how cute these front lights are. They have eyes and eyebrows, right? These are eyebrows. And the little mouth here, whatever you want to be the mouth. And the little nose here, the badge is the nose. That's so interesting. Well, anyway, front grille, air intake, and the canards, and the splinter right here. Good amount of detail. Toyo tires, JDM style, and the number 49 on the banner says a Base Works. And it's this little Mini GT at the corner here. On the side we have more paintings. None of these are decals, so very good. Very impressive. Rubber mirrors. And there are some very fine prints on the tires. I assume it should be Toyo tires. Can't really tell. Toyo tires here. And there's a number 595 in silver. Tokyo Custom. And the wide body fenders, very nice. I don't know if there's supposed to be any air intake at the end of the fender, or this actually should be the air outlet for the turbulence from the tires. And these are the air intake. It's not hollowed, and not expected. The back. This is an interesting double wing design. Kind of big size of diffuser compared to the size of the car. And rear lights are separate components. Liberty Walk license plate. I like these outlets. They look very aggressive. This one is actually hollow. Wow, that's impressive. This pair of outlets are hollow, so good work on Mini GT. Gas cap. Very nice car. At the bottom it says the year of car made, Abarth 595. These 6-spoke wheels are, I like those blackout wheels. It looks good on every car. It rolls pretty well. Alright, let's open this up. I cannot wait. It should be a very small interior in here. Let's look this out. Okay. I'm getting very good at opening these up these days. Alright. Separate into a couple pieces for the body, metal body. Very cute. And a pair of wheels. We already know. Metal base. And plastic inside. There are actually 4 seats, if not 5. Should be 4. And driver's seats on the right side. And you can see a dashboard, and steering wheels, a little gear shifter in the middle. That's pretty high. I don't know if that's modified or not. It looks like some AC outlets here, CDs, maybe CD players here. Not too bad. And you can see some details on the door as well. Some separate compartments. Yeah. Another day of messy tables. Well, that's it for today. If you like the similar contents, please follow me, and I hope you guys have a nice weekend. I'll see you next time.